Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft connection lost. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then type and then once you're here just type here device manager and now go to network adapters, right click update driver and search automatically for drivers. Now one by one into the last one here and then let's move to the next step. Click here and then type after that type here control panel, then make it small icons, go to network and sharing center and then go to access type internet and here we'll find internet or Wi-Fi. Click on it, then click properties, then click protocol internet version 4 properties and here click use the following DNS, copy those numbers here, click OK and close it. And after that let's move to the last one. Type here cmd, right click on it, click run as administrator and here type ipconfig slash flash DNS and then type here net when sock reset and now after that click here and type after that type here Minecraft. Now just right click and run as administrator, and if that doesn't fix your problem click app settings and now just click repair. If that doesn't fix it click reset and that's it. You will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.